Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery on the status bar, just like I have, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. And usually, in order to find this kind of options, you will enter the battery, but not in this model, not in this device. We will actually have to enter the notifications and control center, and then let's tap on status bar. And as you can see right here, we've got the option battery indicator, which will allow us, after tapping on it, to check the options. So we've got 3 different ones. Probably you've got this one applied, so you've got only the indicator. Here you've got the percentage inside the battery icon, which I've got currently set, or we can pick next to the battery icon, and it is much more visible than the previous option. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.